down with brush involved. 67's Las Virgenes Road, Mulholland Highway. Medical alarm 173's.
Control 67, please. Show it en route.
Control 67, copy. Communications plan for the brush response in 67's area. Admin on Blue 3. Command on LA County V5. Primary tag is V9 direct. Secondary tag V10 direct. Air to ground on LA County air to ground. Crew dozer U14 direct. Victor 130.7. LA.
LA is 67, go ahead.
67 additional report being reported near Las Virgenes, near Agora Road, possibly a construction site.
Copy, Las Virgenes and Agora. We're on our way. We'll investigate.
Copy.
LA, Copter 12, copies response.
Copter 12, copy. Public assist 50s.
LA is saying that is going available for that round 67.
89 copy, standby. Engine 68 cancel, response 68 cancel. 68 disregard, continue in. Engine 144 cancel, response 144 cancel.
LA from Battalion 5, can you add Malibu Search and Rescue?
Battalion 5, copy.
LA 68, we're going to continue. We're almost at Las Virgenes.
68, yes, continue in. 144, you can cancel. Rescue 18s.
LA, engine and Quint 125 at Agora in Las Virgenes, unable to locate. Quint 125 is going to investigate at Mulholland. Continue all resources.
125, copy. 125 also being possibly reported Las Virgenes and Agora near a construction site. Also additional report of just north of Bark Park.
LA is 67.
67, go.
LA is 67, we're on scene at Las Virgenes and Mulholland. We find nothing. We're going to continue to investigate and head towards Agora.
67, copy. We are getting confirmation it is at Las Virgenes and Agora, behind the Water District building in the hills.
LA Quint 125 at Willow Glen and Las Virgenes. We do have one copter approximately 300 yards east of this location. Have all units be on command for assignment.
125. Units responding to the brush fire 125's area reporting Las Virgenes and Willow Glen. Report to be a copter down approximately 300 yards east of the intersection. All units continue in and come up on LA County V5 for assignment.
Copy that. I'll get to the location here in just a second. LA Quint 125, this is going to be Willow IC command post at Quint 125. I'm going to have all units stage at Willow Glen and Las Virgenes. Be on command for an assignment.
Quint 125 copy. This will be the Willow incident. 125 Willow IC. Command post at it. Quint 125. Can you confirm if there is a brush involved?
LA Engine 173.
173 stand by. Willow IC LA.
Willow IC go.
LA Engine 171, Squad 171 are going available. We'll take that call in our area.
171 stand by. Willow IC, can you confirm if there's brush involved?
Willow IC from Quint 125. It appears we do have a copter down approximately 300 yards east of this location. We do have some smoke, unable to see how much is burning at this location right here. We'll get back to you when we get some updated information.
LA copies. Once
en route, 9 minutes on the timer.
12 copy, 9 minutes. 171 confirm both you and the squad are available for the next run.
LA, that's affirmative.
Units responding to the brush fire 125's area, Las Virgenes and Willow Glen. This is now the Willow incident. Quint 125 is Willow IC. Command post will be at Quint 125. All incoming units stage at Las Virgenes and Willow Glen.
LA show, Patrol 67 on scene.
Patrol 67 copy on scene.
Engine 125 from Willow IC. Command.
Engine 99 LA.
99, go ahead.
99 move to fire station 68.
Go ahead. Be that, you guys going to be on the left or the right flank? Engine 125 from Willow IC, are you guys going to take the left flank or the right flank? LA, Willow IC, appears we have approximately 1 acre. We do have one copter down with medium brush. We do have smoke. We are currently starting a progressive hose leg. Command post will be at Quint 125. Have all units be on command for an assignment.
All units responding to the brush fire at Las Virgenes and Willow. Quint 125 reporting 1 acre, 1 copter down in medium brush. All units come up on command for assignment. Willow IC LA.
LA, Willow IC confirming we do have one water tender en route.
Willow IC, that's affirmative. Water tender 144 is en route. Willow IC, can you confirm patient number and tail number? Or correction, patient info and tail number?
That's negative at this time. When I do get some more information, I'll go ahead and follow up with you.
125 copy. Battalion 1 LA.
LA, return 1, go ahead.
Battalion 1 landline CCBC. Willow IC LA. Willow IC LA.
LA from Battalion 1, could you check with Battalion 5 and inquire if he still would like me to respond?
Battalion 1 copy. Battalion 5, do you copy?
5, that's affirmed. Let's keep Battalion 1 on the ticket.
Battalion 1, do you copy? Battalion 5?
LA Battalion 1 copies.
Willow IC LA.
LA from Willow IC, go ahead.
Willow IC, do you have a need for PIO and do you have a helispot?
Stand by.
LA from Battalion 5. Willow IC will get back to you on the helo spot. We have some visibility challenges with the fog, so let them clean that up and we'll get back to you on the helo spot designation.
Battalion 5, copy. Copter 12, copy on scene.
LA, Willow IC.
Willow IC, go ahead.
LA from Willow IC. Let's go ahead and start one additional engine to Lost Hills Sheriff for the helo spot.
125, correction, Willow IC, copy. Willow IC, engine 75 will be your helipod coordinator.
Willow IC, copy. 75.
LA from Battalion 5, that's affirmative on PIO.
Willow IC.
Battalion 5, copy. Willow IC, go.
Willow IC, just be advised, we have Copter 12 over the crash site. We do have approximate 30 by 30, not spreading. Appears to be a possible magnesium fire at the location.
All units responding to the Willow IC. Current 125 reporting approximately 30 by 30, not spreading, possible magnesium fire.
LA engine 99.
99, go ahead.
LA 99, confirm this unit's move up to 68th District.
Engine 99, that's affirmative to 68th.
LA 99, copy. LA Battalion 5 on scene, Willow incident.
Battalion 5, copy, on scene.
LA engine 75.
75, go ahead.
Confirm which helipod you want us to man for this incident.
75, you'll be manning at the Lost Hills Sheriff Station.
Engine 75, copy.
Willow IC, LA.
Go ahead, LA from Willow IC.
Willow IC, Lost Hills advising their sheriff station is not a valid helispot. Not available.
LA, Willow IC. Go ahead and start them at 67 Alpha.
Willow IC, copy. Engine 75, LA.
Go for 75.
Engine 75, change in helispot location will be 67 Alpha.
LA, engine 75, copy. 67 Alpha. Do we have a comm plan for this incident? If so, send it my way.
75, affirmative. Send it to your MDC. Copter 12, LA on Blue 3.
Go ahead for Willow IC on admin. Copy that, I'll meet you on air to ground. LA from Willow IC with an update. We have limited spread in the brush. We are still holding the fire. Forward progress has been stopped at a 30 by 30 spot. We have potential 3 DOAs. We have Lost Hills Sheriff on scene and also MRCA.
Willow IC, copy. Limited spread. Forward progress has been stopped at a 30 by 30 spot. Potential 3 DOA. Lost Hills Sheriff with MRCA on scene. Willow IC, LA.
LA Willow IC, go ahead.
Willow IC, is this a private or agency helicopter?
I'm talking to County Copter 12 now. I'll get right back to you.
Willow IC, copy. Willow IC, LA.
LA from Willow IC, go ahead.
Willow IC, Fire 5 can't respond due to weather. Currently, the only copter on the call is Copter 12.
LA from Willow IC, we're good with the 1 aircraft. Copter 12 will stay on scene.
Willow IC, copy. Willow IC, LA.
LA from Willow IC, go ahead.
Willow IC, you have engine 75 as the helispot coordinator, but Fire 5 is not responding. Would you like them to be released from the ticket?
LA from Willow IC, we're going to keep Copter 12 on scene. We have no water dropping missions. We can shut down the helispot and release engine 75.
Willow copy. Engine 75, do you copy?
That's affirmative. Are we released or do they still have a use for us?
Per battalion, per Willow IC, engine 75, you've been released.
LA copy, engine 75 available. Heading back to quarters. LA from Willow IC, this is all within the LRA.
Willow IC copy, all within LRA.
LA from Willow IC, we're going to cancel the 2 additional hand crews. We're going to keep 13-3 and H2 on scene.
Willow IC copy, keeping 8-2 and 13-3, canceling the 2 additional. Camp Crew 2-2 and Camp Crew 16-1, you've been released.
LA Info 1, I'm en route to the aircraft down at 125s with a 15-minute ETA.
Info 1 copy, en route with 15-minute ETA.